Hello viewers, welcome back. So today in this session we'll discuss the next type in the permutation and combination, that is always together. Okay, so they will give sometimes vowels come always together, consonants come always together, or they may give a few persons, and if they are about to sit in a same row or same line, okay, and they will ask you how many number of ways they can sit or stand in the line or row, such that any two persons come always together, okay, like that. Okay, so here in this particular problem, if you see, so the question is how many ways words can be formed when the vowels in the word learn are always together. Okay, so if you take the given word, that is learn, L-E-A-R-N, okay, so they are asking how many ways the letters in the word learn can be rearranged, or a new word can be formed by rearranging the letters. How many ways it can be done such that vowels are always together. Okay, so if you write the vowels, what are all the vowels here? E and A. Okay, these are the vowels, and remaining three are consonants. Okay, so they are asking how many ways you can rearrange the word or letters, but A, E always come together. Okay, always they must be together. Okay, so A, E or E, A. So in both the cases they are together, right? Together means they have to be side by side. Okay, this also valid and this also valid. Okay, so as they are two letters, you can arrange it in two ways. It means that two factorial ways. If there are three letters, then three factorial ways. If there are five such letters which are to be come together, so then that will be 5 factorial. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Okay, and let me tell you. Okay, so even though there are 5 letters here, we have to consider only 4 letters. Okay, by combining E and A, or by considering the both as a single letter. Okay, so this means that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Even though there are 5 letters in the word, we have to consider only 4 letters, because E, A must come together. So as they are together, we have to take that as one. Okay, so there are 4 letters. Okay, how many ways you can rearrange it? 4 factorial ways into, and how many ways E and A can be arranged? Okay, so that is EA and AE. Okay, 2 ways. Actually we need to write this as 2 factorial ways. That is nothing but 2 only. So 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, either you can do this like this, or else there is another way of doing this. Okay, so whatever the words, whether they may be vowels or consonants that are to be together, just leave them. What are all the remaining letters? Okay, here vowels are to be together, right? So whatever the left out letters, what will be the left out letters? Consonants. Okay, L or N. Okay, just L or N, and you separate them with some blanks like this. Okay, remember, before the first letter and after the last letter also there should be blank. Okay, so then how many blanks are there? 4 blanks are there. So 4 factorial. Is there any letter that is being repeated? L came only once, R came only once, N also came only once. Okay, so that is okay. If anything is being repeated, then divided by that much factorial. Okay, so how many blanks are there? 4 blanks are there. 4 factorial into how many letters are to be placed in these blanks. Okay, so EA, either it can come like this, or here, there, and even you can rearrange it. I mean, you can place this like AE. Okay, so that you have to consider 2 factorial. Okay, either you can solve this like this or like this. Okay, so we will take another example on this. So we'll solve another problem on this same topic. Okay, so here the word given is aptitude. Okay, so if you write this aptitude, okay, so here they are asking the same. Here also the vowels are to be together. Okay, so what are all the vowels here? A, I, U and E. Okay, so what are all the remaining letters? So all those remaining letters are consonants. Okay, if you separate them by blanks, okay, like P, T, again T and D. So you have to remember that before the first letter and after the last letter also there must be a blank. Okay, just count the blanks 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so you have to write this as 5 factorial, and you have to make sure if anything is repeated. Okay, so here T is repeating. Okay, it came twice. Okay, so divided by 2 factorial. Okay, so now into what are to be clubbed. Okay, how many vowels are there here? Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is there anything that is being repeated there? Only A came only once, I, U and E all came only once. Okay, how many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 factorial. If anything is repeated, that has to be written in numerator. Okay, suppose if A is repeating twice, divided by 2 factorial. Okay, so as of now nothing is repeated here. Okay, so you can write this like this. Okay, 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial.